Okay, hey there again, Techians. So for this video, we will now be having the final touches for our level, for our first level here in our letter catcher game project. So let's hit the play button and see if we are still missing something or if there are any bugs or errors in our game. Let's check. Player can move right to left, and it can catch the letter. Also the power up activator, and whenever we catch those two, a change of value in the UI will be executed. The size of the letter is, I think, good enough for that that is also an error. We don't want to sacrifice a value in our life point, especially if the power up activator spawn or is instantiate um, at the same position with the letter, especially if the letter that instantiated is a wrong letter. We don't want that. So we're gonna add destroy function to the power up activator so that whenever it instantiates together with a letter, let's say, it will destroy that letter so that the player can freely catch the power up activator. And and there we have it. We have the condition if the score reaches to 5, winner or winner sprite and the portal sprite will appear, allowing the player to be or to transfer to the next level. And since we haven't made that scene for the second level and for the transition of the level 2 and 3, we won't be able to do that for now. So we're gonna have to add collider here in the portal script. We're gonna add script to that, and then I want this player to be destroyed whenever we loses or whenever the player loses the game. So as you can see, it is game over, but still the player can freely move. We don't want that. That would be really illogical. And then I guess it's too close here in the book and the reference letter, the minimum position for the spawning of the letter. So we're gonna adjust that. So that's it. I guess those are the errors that are present in our game as of now. So we're gonna fix that. First, let's have the minimum position here. So let's head over to letter spawner. Let's change the value not 5.7. It's too close since the letter sprite is big enough to cover in this side, this one. So let's just set the minimum pose not 5.7. Let's say 4.87. I guess that will work. And then the power up activator. Let's head to prefabs, missile activator. We're gonna add there a script. So let's head over to our script. Scripts. Did I attach a script to the power missile activator? Okay, we don't have a script attached to it, so we're just gonna. Or did we just tag this one? Okay, it is tagged with missile. Let's head over to our script for the letter. Since the letter and the missile are the objects that are being instantiated in the scene, so let's say, let's add here if call that game object that tag is equal to missile. Not that one. We need to set it as a string. So if it collides with the missile activator, since the or the power up activator is tagged as missile, we're just gonna simply destroy the letter itself. So destroy game object. This will inhibit some instance wherein the power up activator and the letter will overlap, allowing the catcher or the player to catch the power up just to get the power up and sacrifice some of its life point, especially if the letter that spawns together with the power up activator is the wrong letter. So we should be, yep. Um, we should have collider to our missile. Okay, the script is still compiling. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. So the missile, yep, it has a rigid body and it has also a collider. So I guess we won't be. Let's try it. Okay, I that will work. That will work. We're not gonna try it one. Next, let's have the functionality for the portal. So let's head over to scripts and create C# script, and we're gonna name it level portal, and let it compile. Let the game engine compile our newly made script. Whew. I hope somebody with a good heart will donate a PC or a laptop that is more viable. Well, anyway, we don't want we're not gonna include that in our video. So here in our scripts, we're gonna have to attach this to our portal here, and the portal we should add a collider first. Let's say circle collider 2D and set it to its trigger, and we will add rigid body to it. Collider component will not work unless there is a rigid body to the object that it will collide to or the object itself. So rigid body 2D, and we're gonna set the gravity scale to 0 because we don't want this to fall in the scene. So there we have it, and let's add component, the scripts, let level portal, and let's open it in the Visual Studio, and we're just gonna have void on trigger 10 2D, and let's make this call again. We're just gonna detect collision from the player. So call that game object that tag is equal to the tag name of the player, which is player 1. We're just gonna simply for now print um, level up. But here, the actual function that we will be including here is proceed to the next level. So let's hit Control S, including the semicolon. Okay, let the script compile. Yeah, it's taking too long. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Okay, let's try to hit the play button and see if the player collides with that. It will print to not it will move to menu, not it will move to menu. It will print level up. But the real function of that is to proceed to the next level, and we're gonna do that once we make the transition for level 2 and 3 and the scene for level 2 and 3. Oh, not that one. Okay, let's hit the play button. We should be we should earn 4 of 5. Okay, there you have it. Whenever the power up activator and a letter instantiate at the same time, the letter will be destroyed. We need the letter M. Come on, letter M. There we have it. Okay, 2 points. And now my PC is not moving so smooth. Yeah. Okay, last one. Oops, it is. Well, anyway, let's have this one. Boom. And if we touch or if we move our catcher to our player, so simply it will print level up. So I guess our level 1 is now ready, and we will be making our level 2 and 3 for the next video.